is Femi Adeyemi. I'm a supply chain expert and recently a Forex trader. So I am making some videos and I'm putting them on the internet free for everyone to have a basic knowledge of Forex trading and Forex market. The reason behind this video series I'm putting it on the internet for everyone is because of my experience with the coronavirus. The recent coronavirus has really put a lot of people in very tight economic space where so many people lost their jobs and some others who didn't lose their job, they got pay cut. And I know of so many friends who could not survive financially during the tight lockdown. So knowing what I know about Forex market, I do know that if you understand the basic about Forex market, you could trade the Forex market yourself and make money for your family and for good living. So let's jump in the first video series and see what the Forex market is about and how at the end of this video series, you will be able to trade in the Forex market and make profits for yourself and your family. Let's dive in and see. What is Forex? We hear about Forex. Sometimes people must have said it close to you. What is Forex? Forex is actually an acronym of the foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is Forex. Now, what is foreign exchange? Simply put, it is the exchanging of a country's currency for another country's currency simultaneously. What do I mean? Let's take a country like Uganda and another country like America. You want the US dollar, which is the currency of the United States of America, and then you have the shillings, which is the Uganda shillings. You take your Uganda shillings, go to the bureau, give them in exchange for dollar. That simultaneous exchange of one country currency and another is foreign exchange. Acronym Forex. Now, I ask the question, so what is Forex trading? Forex trading is a little bit different. As an individual, you go to the bureau and change money. The bureau will be making profit. You might not be making profit because of the exchange rate. However, when you're trading Forex, it is different. Forex trading requires you to have the objective of making profit. So it is an exchange that happens between one country currency and another with the expectation of making profit. So a lot of us, we have actually been involved in foreign exchange, definitely. I mean, you take your passport, your international passport, you get your visa, you're leaving your country for vacation to another country. When you go to the bureau to exchange your currency for the US dollar, which is a globally acceptable currency as of now, when you do that exchange, you are actually involved in the foreign exchange. But the Forex market that I'm talking to you about today gives you an opportunity to exchange so many other currencies, as much as 28 combination of two currencies together, and you would have the access to trade them for profit once you have the internet and you have your smartphone. Now, I ask the question, how big is the Forex market? How big is the Forex market? Okay, for us to know how big the Forex market is, we would first of all look at how big the stock exchange market is. The stock exchange, I just briefly tell you, is the exchange where you sell company shares. For those of you who know about company shares, the exchange where you actually buy and sell it is called the stock exchange. Now let's look at the biggest ones in the world. Tokyo Stock Exchange does a daily $18 billion transaction, while the New York Stock Exchange does 22 billion. And then I look at London Stock Exchange, they do 7 billion per day. When you put these top three together and the remaining in the world, all global stock exchange, what they do is just $0.3 trillion daily transaction. That's big though. But then the stock market and the Forex market, how big is the Forex market? Ladies and gentlemen, the Forex market is $6.6 trillion daily transaction. I say 6.6 trillion. That's huge money. And the little man says, Daddy, let's start trading Forex. Yes, you have to start trading Forex, because if the stock market can make so many billionaires, so many millionaires, now imagine what the Forex market can do. The Forex market is many times bigger than the stock market. Okay, let's move on and see more about the Forex market. The Forex market is open 245. What do I mean by 245? It's open on Monday morning in Australia, and it closes on Friday evening in America. And then we start over again. Between these periods, Sydney, Australia, Wellington, New Zealand, Tokyo, Hong Kong, Frankfurt in Germany, all these are different stock Forex exchange that I didn't put in this picture. However, from 12 in the morning till 12 in the morning again, round the clock, the Forex market is running Monday to Friday. So you have opportunity, even if you have to go to work in the morning, when you come back in the evening, your time, there is a session running. So you can plug in, trade the Forex market, make profit, bank it, and enjoy with your family. Now, we move on to who are the big players in the Forex market. The big players in the Forex market are the banks, the commercial banks. Yes, the banks. When we save our money in the banks, what they do is they pull all our monies together and trade in the Forex market. They do this every day. So they are big players. The other participant in the Forex market is the central bank. Central bank, we all know they're in charge of inflation, controlling the economy and all whatnot. So they also participate in the Forex market. Large corporations like Coca-Cola, they make money from the Forex market. They put in billions of dollars to trade every day. Hedge funds, brokers, and other Forex company, they all involved in trading in the Forex market. Why not me? Why not you, my friend? Individuals, there are people like myself and yourself. Once you join trading in the Forex market, you will be making from this $6.6 trillion daily transaction from the Forex market. Look at the big players. What this means here is Citibank has over $600 billion in the Forex market on daily basis. So my friend, I'm going to end this video series on this note. But when we're taking the next section, you will see more about what the Forex market is. Basically, what I've made you see here is what the Forex market is, how big it is compared to the stock market, and then who are the players. One of the basic reasons why we want to know who the players in the Forex market are is because these are the people with the big money. So if they are buying certain currency, you with your small money, you must buy with them. Otherwise, you'll be making a loss. So there are tools, there are strategies, there are indicators that we use to determine, based on historical performance, where these big players are going. Are they buying or are they selling? So we need to know, recognize every day that you cannot move the market, but these big players, they can move the market. So that's the reason why we're studying to know them today. And also, as time goes on, we want to study what kind of strategies are they using to trade in the Forex market. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end this video series here and then take you through another one next time. If you do have question for me, yes, of course, why do we have to know about these people? I mentioned it earlier. If you have questions for me, please link me up from my Facebook page or my Telegram handle. So if you do enjoy the video, please share with others. What I say in the beginning of the video, let all of us know about Forex market so that we can trade, make profit, and take care of ourselves and our family. Thank you.